The first 20 minutes of your morning quietly decide the other 16 hours, and most of us hand those minutes straight to a screen. The alarm goes off. Before your eyes even focus, your hand finds the phone. Emails, news, 100 notifications. The world pours in before you've sat up. You're anxious, behind, and reacting, and the day hasn't even started. You didn't choose this morning. It chose you. 2,000 years ago, the most powerful man on earth woke to far bigger problems, wars, plague, and empire on his shoulders. And every morning, Marcus Aurelius did one thing first. He didn't check messengers. He sat down and wrote to himself. Those private notes became the book we now call Meditations. It wasn't philosophy for show. It was a morning routine for staying sane under pressure. And the same routine works on a Tuesday with a phone full of notifications. Step 1. Win the first hour before you let the world in. The phone is a request from everyone else for your attention. Answer it last, not first. Marcus met his own mind before he met the day's demands. Give yourself even 10 quiet minutes that belong only to you. Those minutes set the tone for everything that follows. Step 2. Have a reason to get up that's bigger than comfort. Marcus wrote about the very human struggle to leave a warm bed. He told himself, I wasn't born to stay under the blankets and keep warm. I was made to do the work of a human being. The bed is comfortable, but comfort was never the point of your life. So you rise, not because you feel like it, but because you have something to do. Step 3. Rehearse the day before it happens. Marcus began many mornings by expecting difficulty on purpose. Today, he wrote, I will meet the ungrateful, the arrogant, the dishonest, not to feel bitter, but so none of it could ambush him. When you expect friction, a rude email can't ruin your morning. You saw it coming. Picture the one hard moment ahead and decide now how you'll meet it. Step 4. Remember that waking up at all was never guaranteed. The Stoics kept death in view, not to be morbid, but to wake up grateful. You opened your eyes today. Many people didn't. The light, the coffee, the breath in your chest. It's all borrowed. Gratitude first thing turns an ordinary day into a gift you almost missed. Step 5. Decide what is actually in your hands today. You can't control the inbox, the traffic, or other people's moods. You can control your effort, your honesty, and how you respond. Marcus set his intention for character before he set his to-do list. Ask, who do I want to be today no matter what happens? That single question quietly steers the whole day. Step 6. Zoom out before you zoom in. The Stoics practiced the view from above, seeing your life from high up. From there, the panic over one meeting or one message shrinks to its real size. You are one person on one day in a vast and ancient world. Most of what feels urgent this morning won't matter in a year. That perspective is the antidote to a morning of small, frantic worries. Step 7. Start with one small, chosen difficulty. The Stoics trained with voluntary discomfort, cold, hunger, effort, on purpose. A cold splash of water, a walk before the screen, the hard task first. Choose discomfort early, and nothing the day throws at you feels as heavy. You've already proven before 8 a.m. that you can do hard things. Step 8. Put a few honest lines on paper like Marcus did, not for anyone else, just you getting clear with yourself. What am I grateful for? What might test me? Who do I want to be? 3 short answers, and your mind walks into the day already ordered. None of this takes an hour. The whole routine fits in 10 quiet minutes. Phone last. A reason to rise. Expect friction. Be grateful. Know your control. Zoom out. Do one hard thing. write a few lines. It's less a schedule than a way of meeting the day on your own terms. You stop being the one who reacts and become the one who decides. Here's why the order matters so much. However you start the morning is the mood you hand the rest of the day. Start it reactive and anxious, and you'll chase that feeling until midnight. Start it calm and deliberate, and calm becomes the day's default. The first hour is a small lever that moves 16 hours, and the modern world is built to steal that first hour from you. The feed wants your attention before you've even claimed it for yourself. Protecting your morning isn't easy anymore. It's a quiet act of self-respect. The Stoics had no phones, but they understood the battle for the mind. So, let's make it doable. 3 moves for tomorrow morning. 1. Don't touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. Let the day be yours first. 2. Before you get up, name one thing you're grateful for and one that might test you. 3. Do one small, hard thing before the screen, water, movement, or the toughest task. That's it. No app, no special gear, just the oldest routine that still works. Tomorrow, don't let the morning happen to you. Meet it. If this helped, subscribe. A new piece of Stoic philosophy for real life every week. Try the routine for 3 mornings and watch how the rest of your day changes. And watch this next. The Stoic evening routine that helps you actually switch off. Ancient wisdom, modern edge.